Today is the Donnie Smith Show in downtown St. Paul at the River Center. But before we can do any of that, we need to talk into the microphone because we've got a voiceover gig to do. Also, if it feels like I'm stealing this from Joe Seppi, a truck driver that you might know, it's because I am. Last night's job. Not going to talk about last night's job. Checking. Roger. Checking. Check 1, 2. The New Mexico Ice Wolves are building a winning hockey culture in a desert town, sitting in the shadow of the Sandia Mountains. The most important part of going to any motorcycle event is, of course, what hat you wear. So we're going to go with the leader. Let's do the S&S. Yes. Even though we rock a gray hat with a green belt, we always flex a all black fed. Here we go. Off to the Donnie Smith bike show. Tons of dog hair in my sweater. It's fine. St. Paul, Minnesota. Got my coffee. We're ready to rock and roll and head on over to the River Center. Paid for parking. Extremely expensive down here in St. Paul. But let's go look at motorcycles. Made it. This is it. There's a lot going on. There's Dylan, looking spry as always. Live update, gone live twice. Voice already hoarse. Great. Oh, yeah. We're heading upstairs because we gotta get the shot. P.S. My phone is gonna die because that happens all the time. Ooh, here's a beauty. Me very much like this paint job. This is my favorite bike so far. I like cold. Being on camera all day it's tiring. See, Dylan agrees.
Being on camera, running the camera, being in front of, being a personality that you gotta just be like all excited 24/7 can be draining.
Where I'll be bundled the phone.
This place is busy. Super busy. Same with this one.
Currently hanging out in the Great Nothingness, which essentially is like the dirt where I belong.
Attending, our real intent, our purpose is
Must get food. Update, we've eaten food. My feet hurt. I'm tired. But Kerrigan's coming. Kerrigan, what are we doing right now?
I don't know.
We're looking at motorcycles. Have fun. Well, I am exhausted. Hair is a mess. Hat is sweaty. If there's one thing that's a huge pet peeve of mine, it's a sweaty hat. Let's go home. Update. Home. It's been a long day. And now we gotta go back to the booth.